This is an abandoned 120-year-old house sitting on a semi-truck. It was built by my great-great-great-grandparents in 1906, and I think I might be crazy enough to buy it. Let me explain. A few weeks ago, if you would have asked me what my dream home looked like, I would have told you that I planned to build something brand new on the land I grew up in Idaho. But then life shifted. As many of you know, my mom was recently diagnosed with cancer, and that news has caused us to think a lot more deeply about what matters most to us and where we really want to be. But after our recent trip home to visit my family, something happened that completely changed the vision we had in mind. So we went to go see a house that had been part of my family's story for over a century. Perfect. This house was built in 1906 by my great-great-great-grandparents. Generation after generation lived there, including my aunt, who called it home for nearly 40 years. Around the time my aunt passed away, the future of the house became uncertain. The land it sat on was sold, and it looked like the house might be lost forever. But one of my cousins understood just how important this home was to our family. So when the opportunity came to save it, he stepped in and figured out a way to move the entire house across the road to keep it in our family. Years later, when the property changed hands again, he refused to let it be lost. He designed and fabricated an enormous trailer, lifted the house onto massive steel beams, and moved this 120-year-old home nearly a mile down the road, just to preserve it. And now, after months of trying to find the right buyer, this incredible house is still just sitting here waiting. Until maybe us. The truth is, when I first heard about the possibility of renovating this house, I really wasn't interested. I thought I wanted to build something brand new. But the moment I walked into this house, everything changed. It is absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship is unbelievable. Tall ceilings, original hardwood floors, beautiful millwork, arched doorways, massive bedrooms, built-in cabinets, solid wood doors, and truly just a level of character and quality that is almost impossible to find today. And as I walked through the house, I could already start to picture what it could become. You guys know how much I love home design, DIY projects, and creating spaces that feel beautiful and meaningful. And I'm definitely not planning on renovating a 120-year-old house entirely by myself. But after everything we've done to transform our current home, I know how powerful it can be to take something with incredible bones and turn it into something truly special. I can already picture the cozy kitchen, restored hardwood floors, and thoughtfully designed rooms filled with warmth and character. And honestly, that might be what excites me the most. The opportunity to breathe new life into a home that has already meant so much to my family. Structurally, this house is incredibly sound, and while it's going to need extensive work, new plumbing, new electrical, new insulation, septic, bathrooms, a kitchen, new windows, it feels like the perfect blank canvas, a chance to create something that I've always dreamed about, a new old house. All of the charm and soul of a historic home with the functionality and comfort of a completely renovated one. This feels like one of those rare opportunities that only comes along once in a lifetime, so we are seriously considering it. And I want to know what you guys think. What would you do? Are we absolutely crazy to take something like this on? Or would we be crazy not to do this?